देखिए ऊंट किस करवट बैठता है. In this video tutorial, we will learn the meaning of Urdu and Hindi idiom, which is देखिए ऊंट किस करवट बैठता है. We will do the literal translation of this Urdu idiom in English. We will learn its meaning in English, Urdu and Hindi. And we will also learn to make a sentence using this idiom. Please listen to this tutorial carefully because we will do an exercise at an end. Let's start our tutorial. Literal meaning of देखिए ऊंट किस करवट बैठता है is let's see on which side the camel sits. Now what does it mean? It means देखते हैं कि क्या नतीजा निकलता है. देखते हैं कि क्या होता है. That is, let's see what is the result, or let's wait and see what happens. Now let's learn to use this idiom in a sentence. Let's suppose that we are watching a cricket match and you ask me who will win, and my answer is मैच कोई भी जीत सकता है. देखिए ऊंट किस करवट बैठता है. Anyone can win the match. Let's see what is the result. Let's see what happens. So we use this idiom when we are not sure what will happen, and we say to another person to wait and let's see what is the result. Now it's time for an exercise. As an exercise, please make a small sentence using देखिए ऊंट किस करवट बैठता है and paste it in a comments box. I will check it out and give you my feedback. If you like this video tutorial, then please give it a thumbs up and share it. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.